Hey everyone, it's Debra, and I know I showed you this project last Wednesday and how I made this little mini album. Well, I showed you a sneak glimpse of my coffee notebooks that I made over the weekend, and I was waiting for them to dry before I, put the binding on them, and look how stinking cute these are. They're different from this last one. I only used a 5/8 ring on this one, and it's just truly a notebook. So there's just 20 pages of craft cardstock in here, and then of course the back. Look how stinking cute this is. I had so much fun with this. I used Nuvo drops my first time to ever use Nuvo drops. I used those for the doorknob and the centers of the flowers. And just paper piece this whole thing this is from the Scrap Diva Designs House mini album. It's one of her releases for February. This is so stinking cute. I am making more of these for sure. So here is the first one, and then the back of it. And I used this paper from Cartabella Coffee Shop. So in case you're interested in that, I'll try to leave a link to that product, to the coffee shop. And I'll leave a link to the House mini album die if you want to go get it. I do use Carolina Crafts for the 10% off if you decide to use a code, or if you have your own code for Scrap Diva Designs. But anyway, look how cute these little flowers from the collection are. So cute. These are the ones with the actual stems. They're like this right here. And you do have to, what I did is I cut this out in green, and then I only put the flower portion in on a piece of paper and cut the flower head, and that way I'm not cutting out a whole another piece of paper. And if it cut a little bit of the stem, I just kind of trimmed it. So anyway, and then these are some more flowers from the collection. I just added them down there. It's not the same flower, but anyway. Look how cute these are. This is the pink version. I forgot to tell you, this is the gold version right here. The gold, I used some of the gold paper. And this coffee sign, let me show you. That is actually one of the pieces of paper. And I just cut these out to do the coffee sign. So, I mean, you could do the fresh roasted coffee served daily. It's a little big, but I felt like this one was the best one. Anyway, here's this one, the pink version. How cute is that? Kind of a Parisian coffee shop. I should have put Cafe au lait or something like that. That would have been cute. But that's not part of the paper. I would have to make that. And then here's the back of that one. And then here is the insides of it. Whoops. There you go. All right. And then here's the green version. And super cute. I think I got some glue on there. Oh, well. But anyway, super cute. The thing is, you want to decorate the entire front of this before you punch the holes. Yeah, I didn't do that. I decorated this one afterwards. This was the first one I made, and I put a 1-inch ring on it. A little too much. But anyway, I definitely want to punch the holes after you decorate it. So you can see I did this one correctly. The roof line is all the way down here. Guys, if you want a tutorial on how I made these, please put a comment below, and I will do a tutorial. It's super simple, and it's very, very simple. But anyway, here's the last one. And what do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want me to do a tutorial on it, I'll be glad to. And I'm planning on making more because I do want to give some of these away. And with that in mind, I plan on giving these 3 away. If you would like them, go ahead and comment below what color's your favorite in the order that you like it. So this is the yellow or gold house. Here's the green one, and here's the pink one. So yellow, green, and pink. Okay, whichever order that you like them. Okay, and these I will give away. Okay, all right, guys, have a great Monday. I usually don't do a Monday video, but here we are. And guys, I could not wait to show you these. They're so stinking cute. But anyway, you guys have a great week. I will see you on Wednesday, the regular video. Okay, bye.